Hi everyone, welcome to our lesson 64. My name is Professor Robert, and in today's lesson we'll learn how to rationalize the numerator of a radical expression. So by using our first example here, rationalizing of the numerator is very similar to the way we rationalize the denominator of a given radical expression. And therefore, from our given example here, root x plus h minus root x, that expression must be multiplied by its conjugate. So that expression here has to be multiplied by its conjugate, and its conjugate will be exactly the same, only that it will have a positive root x. And what we do to one part of a fraction, we must do to the other. So we must also multiply the bottom by the conjugate of what we have in the numerator position, which will be root x plus h plus root x. And then we move on to distribute through our expression. So we multiply our root x plus h by root x plus h. So this will give us actually x plus h. And then we have root x plus h multiplied by root x. So this one will give us plus root x multiplied by root x plus h. And then we multiply minus root x by root x plus h, which will give us minus root x, okay, multiplied by root x plus h. And then we have minus root x by root x, which will give us minus x. And all this is divided by h into root x plus h plus root x. Now we need to simplify the top. Now, the top, we have x and then minus x. So these two will cancel out. And then we have root x into root x plus h, and then minus root x into root x plus h. So these two will cancel out, and we are left with only h. And this is over the denominator, which is h into root x plus h plus root x. And then h will cancel the h. And in the end, we have 1 over, open brackets, root x plus h plus root x, close brackets. So that becomes our final answer. All right. So if you if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like, share with anyone you think needs it, and please subscribe for more algebra made simple. See you in the next lesson, and bye for now.